Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem of the upload file could not be moved to the WP content slash uploads folder. This is WordPress, and I was trying to upload an image, and I got this, okay? So I'm trying to set an image here as featured, and you realize like when I try to upload this, it won't actually be uploaded. Okay, so what happens is most cases that like your space for hosting is full, so you can't actually upload anything. Okay, when I check the space that I have on the server, you realize actually my account kind of is 750. That is the total space, and this space used is 750. So you just need to actually maybe increase the space to a bigger space, then this will be sorted. So we're going to do that, then we're going to try to upload it and we see. So I've increased my space from 750 to 1.5 GB. This is something that you have to maybe tell your hosting company to do. So when I come back here to upload the picture, let me try to upload it again. Maybe what you can do, you can try to go back, set image, upload this, and that will solve the issue. Okay, so my internet is a bit slow, but that's actually how I solve the issues of images refusing to be uploaded. I see this one is actually moving. Okay, now for those of you who are maybe beginners in designing, especially if you're using WordPress, you're using AI in one of your projects, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. We'll be doing a lot of videos about how to troubleshoot WordPress sites and how to do sites using AI. Okay, so if you're kind of a designer, you can really take time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be giving you updates about how to do this. Okay, so I think our image is full. It's kind of taking time to load, so let me just try to. Let me just try to wait. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. So let's give it some time. Okay, finally, my image has come. So the issue is mainly with the space. Okay, the issue is always mainly with the space. So let me set it as featured image. Okay, so see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.